If you have acne, pimples, watch this video. Let me show you how you can use tomato to treat such problems at home. If you have not been using tomato on your skin, maybe you should try using tomato on your skin right now because it will help to clear dark spots. It will help to get rid of sunburn. It will help to get rid of pimples and acne on your skin. So first, to prepare the treatment, you will need tomato. So you go ahead and get one tomato. You go ahead and wash it, and after washing it, you start grating it. There are so many ways you can use tomato to treat dark spots, treat pimples, and enhance your skin. The first method is after grating tomato, you can use the juice on your skin. You can use the juice directly on your skin. It will help to get rid of dark spots. It will help to reduce pimples on your skin, and it will also help to enhance your skin. And the second method is this method I am trying to show you guys here. You start by grating the tomato. So tomato has a lot of skin benefit to the skin. Tomato will help to give you a very glowing skin. It will help to enhance your skin. It will help to protect your skin against skin cancer. Like it will help to protect your skin from excessive UV rays. It will also help to protect your skin from sunburn. It helps to heal wound. There are so many skin benefits of tomato. Tomato also helps to remove dead skin cells on the skin. It also helps to stimulate collagen production. So after grating the tomato, you go ahead and sieve it. If you don't want to sieve it, it's okay. But if you feel like the seeds will be a problem to you, then you go ahead and sieve it as to get rid of the seeds. This treatment is very, very effective that will help to enhance your skin, that will help to give you a brighter skin. So after you are done sieving the tomato, the next thing you have to get is to go ahead and get yogurt. Get a natural yogurt, not a yogurt with a sugar. When I say natural yogurt, I mean yogurt that doesn't contain sugar, okay? Like this Greek yogurt, you can use Greek yogurt. If you don't want to use yogurt, you can also use milk. If you want to use milk, make sure it's not evaporated milk. Use fresh milk, like fresh natural milk, okay? So after that, you go ahead and add some tablespoons of yogurt into it. So we'll be using yogurt because yogurt also contains lactic acid and an organic compound that aids in diminishing the appearances of wrinkles and fine lines by tightening and shrinking pores. So it's also beneficial when you apply yogurt on your skin. Yogurt also helps to reduce the signs of sunburn, like it helps to soothe your skin, getting rid of irritation and thereby giving you a very glowing and enhanced skin, okay? Yogurt also has exfoliating properties that transform your skin from being dry and dull to brighter and softer skin. So yogurt has these properties that helps to lock in moisture to the skin. Like when you apply it on your skin, it will help to lock in moisture to your skin, making your skin very moist and glowing and softer and giving you a very enhanced and brighter skin. So after adding the yogurt, the next thing you have to add is turmeric. Go ahead and get turmeric. Guys, some of you don't even know what turmeric looks like, but this is turmeric. Turmeric looks like curry, but it's not curry, okay? You can also buy it from the market where you buy your food item. Just tell them to give you powdered turmeric and they will give you this. So go ahead and add some amount of turmeric into it because turmeric is very beneficial. It helps to brighten the skin. It helps to fade away wrinkles. It helps to fade away dark spots also. So after adding turmeric, the next one you need to add is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very essential to the skin. It's very important that you use vitamin E oil on your skin because it has a lot of skin benefits. It helps to fight hyperpigmentation. It helps to moisturize your skin and reverse the signs of premature aging. Vitamin E will improve your skin elasticity. It will also help to reduce wrinkles and the dry skin. So after adding it, I'll show you how you can use this on your skin for very effective results. So guys, here I have the treatment with me. I'll be showing you how you can use this tomato treatment to brighten your skin. All you have to do is to go ahead and wash your face, and after washing your face, you go ahead and get a brush. If you don't have brush, you can use your bare hand. Go ahead and start applying it on your face. This will help to brighten your face. This will help to fade away dark spots. It will help to rejuvenate your skin. It will help to give you that youthful glow. It will help to reduce the signs of fine lines on your skin. Guys, this treatment is effective. So go ahead and apply it on your face. And after applying it on your face, you let it sit on your face for about 30 to 45 minutes, and after that you go ahead and wash it out. Then after washing it out, you go ahead and apply your face cream. So this is how you can improve your skin. This is how you can reverse the signs of premature aging This is how you can get rid of wrinkles and smoothen your skin. So guys, this is it. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one. For now, bye.